and then you can ask any questions.
Okay,
All
I have
right.
started
So
the recording.
okay, okay. So
Thank you.
with the Karma Kanda, I hope you. Sorry, just a quick question, Kalpesh. This is recording on your hard disk, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So with the Karma Kanda concept, it is that when you try to please a certain demigod through a certain mantras, that is described in the Vedas.
Okay.
Okay, and science is just the same, but the devtas are involved. You are directly dealing with the matter and trying to do something with your own mind so that it does the same purpose as you would go and address the devta.
Correct. It's a more direct approach than.
Correct, correct.
Okay.
It is.
Okay.
So it is not a, a re, you're not receiving, you're trying to
Mm,
achieve,
mm, mm. Okay.
you know.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
you may achieve, but you may not achieve completely.
Okay.
But if the authority gives you, you will receive it in 100%.
Correct.
Hmm.
That's a more
That's
wholesome
why,
approach.
yeah. So that's why if you see weapons in the described in the previous yugas and the shastras are more powerful and, you know, variety and more destructive.
Mm,
Hmm.
So which they talk about atom bomb here in today's world, it can, you know, destroy an island. It can actually, there was a test done by US, I think, when they, you know, ran this nuclear thing, whole island disappeared. So they
right.
have that much of powerful atomic bombs. But when we talk about Brahmastra,
Mm,
Brahmastra means entire Brahmanda will go.
mm. But again, that destruction we are talking about is primarily for construction. That
No, no,
destruction
no,
is
no, no,
not.
no, 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 no. You're talking about annihilation and construction. The start and the end, not that. This is not about that. This is not the annihilation. This is, I'm talking about when the weapon is used to destruct something. So
Okay.
say
Okay.
so for example, atom bomb is thrown on a country and the country collapses. Similarly, Brahmastra is thrown and the whole Brahmanda collapses.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
So the intensity of Brahmastra is much higher because it is being given by Brahma. But atom bomb is something created and it has its own limitations.
Mm, mm,
So when we receive, that's why
mm,
we say we receive
mm,
from the higher authorities. You
mm,
receive in abundance. But when you
mm.
try to achieve something, there may be limitations. So that is a difference between science and karma kanda.
I got this point very well, huh? Because I actually practice this. For example, na, I don't wish for success. I I put few things in the in the pond, and I say I'll wait for fish to come themselves. I don't want to go with a net and try to scoop everything. No, I said जितना आ रहा है आन दो, ऊपर वाले की दया है, आ रहा है आन दो.
No, no, that is your nature, Kalpesh. That is that
Okay,
satisfying nature that, okay, I will be satisfied with whatever I get.
हाँ,
That is a different nature. That is a satisfying nature you have that, okay, I'm not going to endeavor much. That is instruction on Upadesha Matra.
फिर क्या फर्क?
Upadesha
What is
Amrita.
the difference in this? I can you explain?
The difference is that this is not for sense gratification. So when you want more and more sense gratification, you do more and more karma kanda. So you do something, any activity to achieve more and more.
Got it.
That is karma kanda. So for example, you have money, but you're not happy with what money you have. You do certain yagya, you do certain process to get more money, more
No,
Is
dhan.
that right or wrong? Is that right or wrong according to the Gita?
See, there is no right and wrong, Sanket. There is no right and wrong. It is only the purpose which is defined. So karma kanda, even science, see, even science, it's very, you know, there's a lot of hypocrisy there as well, where they say something is right, you don't find it right, you know, you find it wrong. Say for example, they've tested an atom bomb somewhere and the island is collapsed. I don't find it is right because somebody could have gone and lived there, could have been a
Yes.
land for someone. But for
It's
them it is right
destroying
because they are
creation.
trying to,
Yeah.
for them it is right. For you look, they're testing a weapon which is important at certain point,
Mm,
you know. So there is no right and wrong, and it's just the purpose.
Okay.
So when we
So if I
when
want
we
10 cars, 50 cars, it's okay. There is no greed
yeah
in it.
yeah no no
I'm
no
not greedy. It's
no 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 no. You may be not. We don't know. That is your call.
no, no. That is what you were saying. That I can fish from a fish rod, or I can put a fish net.
But now, what is
I
your
can.
purpose of doing that? That will define your greed or to yourself. So I can't decide for you what do you want and why do you want it. I can't know, and that is where the problem is. So if you look at it, that when you throw a pebble in the water, you'll see one concentric circle, right?
Hmm.
But if 10 people throw,
Hmm.
10 different, there'll be different concentric circles.
Correct.
That's where the clashes happen because the purposes are different.
Hmm.
That is why we are fighting, in this world. But imagine if the whole world works on one purpose,
Hmm.
how good that will be. Everybody gets benefited.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
So the purpose becomes the important thing. And then now what happens after this, that when you understand this karma kanda, then you say,
Hmm.
what is the purpose of karma kanda?
Hmm.
And if it is not fully satisfying me, then there has to be some higher purpose.
Hmm.
That's where you turn to spirituality.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you
So
go out
according to
from
the book,
mental to soul.
according to the book, okay, according to Bhagavad Gita, what
Yeah.
is spirituality?
Adhyatma. Adhyatma means, see, there are two words in this. Spirituality is not the exact translation of Adhyatma, but close. So Adhyatma is what we are trying to do. So Adhyayan comes from, what do you call?
Meditation.
No.
Adhyan.
Adhyayan comes from what you call gaining knowledge, or adhyan,
Hmm.
or reading, or doing whatever to gain knowledge.
Hmm.
So studying,
Hmm.
as we say it. Adhyayan is
Hmm.
studying.
Hmm.
You know.
Hmm.
An adhyapak is the teacher. That's how it
Hmm.
is. So adhyayan is teaching. Adhyayan
Hmm.
is learning or studying. You can say whatever. And
Receiving.
atma is the soul. So
Hmm.
adhyatma is the study of the soul.
Study of the soul. Okay.
So
Study of the soul.
so when you come out of the physical study, that is, you understand all the organs and your needs of the body, you go to the mental level,
Hmm.
understand the
Hmm.
mind, you go.
Hmm.
So these two levels are the material levels.
Hmm.
So if you are not
Okay.
satisfied with these two, then you go to the spiritual level, which is the
Okay.
inner part, which is the soul.
Okay. So what you're saying is spirituality, according to Bhagavad Gita, means when the soul is receiving, it can be knowledge or anything.
When the soul, when you study soul and you satisfy the soul.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll have to
Okay.
step. I'll have to take one step back. Um, so this karma kanda thing, right? I guess we are still discussing that, right? Because thoda mera sir
Yeah.
thoda
Yeah,
phut raha hai.
yeah.
No.
Yeah, we are karma
You're on
kanda.
the point. Yeah.
Okay. So in this case, right, does karma kanda means that you have to do some kind of yagya or some kind of whatever written in the scripture, or does it also mean that okay, दिमाग से सोचना कि I want that, I want more money, I want more money, I want more
That is
money.
desire. That is the desire. That is kamana.
So karma kanda means ki doing yagya or whatever
Activity. Karma,
activity.
where karma comes is activity. Wherever karma you see, it's activity. And
Okay.
kanda is for receiving. So you do something to get something.
If I'm doing say meditation for some reason, and I say कि मुझे और पैसा चाहिए meditate कर
That
रहा
is
हूँ.
karma kanda.
That is karma kanda. Got it now. Sorry,
Even
I
when
may
you
be
go
asking
to
really.
when you go to prayer, when you go to the temple and you go to
Hmm.
the Lord, and you go say, भगवान मैं तेरे को ये कर दूंगा, मेरे को ये दे दे साथ में, मैं इतना चढ़ाऊंगा तेरे को प्रसाद. That is karma kanda.
Hmm.
And
Is that right?
90% of the religious people, they do karma kanda.
Hmm.
But what does the Gita say? Is that right or is that wrong?
There is no right and wrong, Sankit. The purpose is what you have to see.
Okay.
What is your purpose?
Actually, now
Okay.
Sanket, I had an offline discussion few months ago with Anil Prabhuji, and he explained me something really very important thing actually, which synced me after few days.
Hmm.
That कि ना मैंने उसको बोला यार बहुत पैसा चाहिए करके कभी तो बोलता है कि तेरा पर्पस क्या है पैसे का। मैं बोला मैं ये करूंगा, मैं वो करूंगा, मैं वो करूंगा, अपरम तपरम सब ये करूंगा। लेकिन ना अगर समझो पैसा आ गया ना, फिर उसके बाद मैं एक्चुअली क्या करूंगा ना, एक्चुअली आई माइट से कि मुझे ये करना है वो करना है, लेकिन मैं एक्चुअली वो पैसे का क्या करूंगा ना, दैट इज एक्चुअली द पर्पस। You might be thinking, but when you actually do something else, that was the actual purpose. But sometimes you don't have it in your mind, but it is somewhere there inside you.
Correct. So I
That
think
is one
just
thing you don't have it in your
Mm.
mind, and sometimes you don't say it.
Maybe you don't realize it. It's not that you're lying to yourself or lying to others.
No, most of the times you don't say it.
Okay.
okay. So,
It is
what I
there.
think,
That's called hidden
if
desire.
correct. Now two questions
Yeah.
come out of this as I see it. One is that
Yeah.
okay, if you some people can be, some people can make good intentions. I will use this money for the sick people in the hospital. I will use this to feed the poor and all that. They can manifest this money with all these intentions, good intentions, pure intentions. But when they actually get the money, they might use it in the wrong way. What
Correct.
is that? What is
Correct.
that?
So that is where the hidden desire comes in picture. So when you have so what we are trying to do here is to understand the whole concept first, understand the scriptures, and how do we actually purify ourselves at the end so that we get the right thoughts, we get the right desires. So there are many things associated with that. So for example, you don't come up with your desire just by yourself. When you are
Correct.
born, you don't even know your name. Somebody tells you your name and you start reciting your name.
Yes.
So you are actually feeding on your association. Over a period of time, you see whatever you learn from your parents and things like that, that sustains for some time. But then whomever you meet, whomever you associate with, you gain something. That's how you develop.
Yes.
Until you see the people enjoying liquor, you won't start drinking it.
Correct. Correct.
So this is how you gain knowledge. This is how you get all these things from outside world. So your desires are
Correct.
based on your experiences and your
Yes.
thoughts after that. So what we are doing, it's a reverse engineering.
Yes.
What we are trying to is we're trying
It's
to
a
go back.
cycle.
Yeah, we are trying
Yes.
to.
Yes.
So what happens is that when you are born, see, or everything is clean. The memory is clean, the mind is clean, everything is clean. Now everything is getting fed in. So if at all we were only at that age, you see the kids, you stay around kids, you'll feel very nice because they have very powerful energy and aura.
Yes.
You can experience that. If you had a very stressful day, come down in the evening and play with the kid. You'll enjoy it. You'll be completely de-stressed.
They are the best consultants of life. If you want to
Absolutely.
learn life, they are the ones who can
Yeah.
teach you life.
Yeah. Because there
They
is
are not touched by.
there is no contamination.
Yes.
It is just like the drop of rain, when it drops from the what you call sky, it is pure, but as soon as it touches the mud, it's gone impure, finished. So it is the association which changes everything.
Yes, it does, absolutely.
So we
Otherwise,
are
you can stay
trying,
in that pure state.
absolutely. So we are trying to reverse that thing. So that is why this is important. The discussions, the association, the thought processes. So once you try to go there, slowly and slowly, you come to a point that you want to realize yourself because you get into
Yes.
that pure state as you were as a kid.
Yes. And I think the difficult part or the part which needs training is to sustain that purity, purity of
Exactly.
thought.
Exactly.
That
And
that is
that
the.
comes with experience. So when you realize something, that's why the applied knowledge comes into picture, the Nyaya Sutra. So when you learn something and you apply it and it works, you think, oh man, this is good. I should do this.
Yes. Yes.
Then you do more of that. Otherwise, you
Yes.
won't do more of that.
Yes, possibly to an extent where it becomes your quality. You become that quality. It's no
Yeah,
more a practice.
correct. That
You
that
become that quality.
yeah, that state is self-realization.
Correct, correct. But I think, with self-realization, okay, with self-realization, yes, you can be happy in this world no matter what happens. I think someone has joined us. I think it's Ranveer
Yeah,
with that big gun and that team and something. Okay,
yeah.
so what was the last word that we were talking about? The last
Self-realization.
self-realization. Okay, so self-realization, pretty much you can be happy with anything in this world, no matter what happens. That is self-realization. You're a
No,
realized person.
no. Self-realization as per the Shastra. So anybody can have any number of beliefs. Billions of, I don't know, 7-8 billion people in the world, 7 billion different beliefs. But the Shastra, when we say authority, we become astika and become authority of the Shastra. What it says is that it says Jive Swarupena Nitya Krishna Das. So it concludes with this, that what is your actual self is that you are a servant to the Supreme. That is self-realization. But what we try to be, we want to become the master. That's why we try
For
to achieve,
example,
not
like, can you
receive.
give some example to understand this? Sorry.
Okay. So similarly, I will say as karma kanda in science. So you
Okay.
see, in those times, they wouldn't try to achieve, they try to receive. So that is a culture. So even in self-realization also, when you're trying to, have a spiritual realization, you will try to receive through service rather than achieving it. I want to become self-realized.
So
That's a
when
different attitude towards this altogether. This is not achieving. This is not achieving. This is more of being humble and trying to be a servant of the Supreme, being a part, not the whole. You know,
Yes. So possibly what you're saying is there are many different ways to get self-realized. One of
correct,
them is bhakti. One of them, I think, what you're saying is
correct,
bhakti. I
correct,
think
correct,
that's what.
correct,
Okay.
correct. So this is the Bhakti Shastra where we are trying to go towards. It is simple. Bhakti is simple, but not easy, because you will have to, do a lot of regulations to maintain that. As you said, how do we maintain it? You know,
Yes.
so that requires a lot of practice, and slowly it's simple. It's not as, you don't have to go and stand on one feet and do yoga, not
Mm,
that kind of sort of things. But here it is simple, but it's not easy. You'll have to
mm,
maintain it and keep it regulated.
mm. But I think where it would be difficult is because bhakti is always being tested. Bhakti would always be tested.
Yes,
Uh,
yes,
you know,
every day.
so
Yes.
in that respect, I think it will be more difficult than
Yes.
standing on one feet.
You have to choose then.
Exactly.
Yeah, yeah,
Aniket,
yeah.
Mm.
in my yoga class, I stand on 1 feet, and trust me, it's very difficult.
I mean, nothing is easy. If you want to achieve something, there is some process you have to go through.
Okay. All right. So it's 3 o'clock now. I have to leave for something important.
Okay.
So we'll discuss about it next Sunday. So in the
Okay.
meantime, you can carry on with whatever we discussed. And if you have any
Okay.
questions or comments, please ask me now. I can, stay there for
No, no,
two
no.
more
We
minutes.
just thank you for today's
Oh,
session,
no problem at all. Thank
Ramaji,
you.
and
Thank you.
we'll see you next Sunday.
Sunday. Yeah. You can carry on the discussion if you want. Hi, Randhir. How are you?
Good, sir.
Yeah, good.
Okay, wasn't it supposed to be at 2 p.m. Australian Standard Time?
Yeah.
Okay, which translates into 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time here.
Mm-hmm.
It's 8 p.m. Pacific
Now.
Standard Time. Yeah.
Oh, did we have the same problem last week, Kalpesh, because of some daylight savings there or
Yeah,
here? I
yeah,
don't
I
know.
think so. It's 3
Yeah.
p.m. here now, Randir.
Okay. All right.
It's okay,
Okay.
Randir. We have recorded this session. when
Okay,
I upload
okay.
it, you can have a look at it.
So you guys
Okay,
can
okay.
continue the discussion for another few minutes if you want to, and I will leave. So you can carry on discussing, and maybe you can share something with Randhir also, and you
Okay.
can
Right.
sort out the timing issue as well for the next Sunday.
Okay, okay.
Sure.
All right,
Thank
guys.
you so much.
Thank you.
All
I'll
right,
stop the
thank you.
recording
See you
now.
then. Pranams. See you.
Right.